guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Daily Goodie Box. So it's free to join and sign up with this company, and you create a profile, and if you're selected you get a box full of products to try. So on top it just reminds you to go online and review your samples and full-size items. So that's on top of every box. So let's see what came in the May boxes. We have some premium instant tea. In 3 seconds it says. So there's 2 English breakfast, 2 mango green, 2 lemon black, 2 chai tea, 1 oolong, and 1 green. So that's cool. I drink a lot of tea typically, so I will definitely use that. Also have organic, is it kombucha? I know I've seen stuff like this, but I haven't actually tried it. This is the raspberry lemon flavor. I'm not even really sure what it is. It says it has sparkling water in it, kombucha, water, sugar, and active culture, and then black tea. Okay, cool. I'm gonna pop that in the fridge, we'll wait for it to get cold and enjoy that one. Also have an activated charcoal deodorant, natural and aluminum free, gender neutral, essential oil scent for sensitive skin. I'm gonna cut that so we can take a look at it. So it's a gray color. It smells pretty good. I almost feel like I smell like a tea tree. Not sure if there's tea tree in it. Yep, there is. So that's probably what I'm picking up on. That's really awesome. I haven't tried aluminum free. We also have organic applesauce. I like that they put in a little protective pouch there. Squeeze a day. There's no sugar in here. Just applesauce. Next up, ooh, salted crunchy caramels. Dark chocolate covered palm sugar caramels with a crunchy rice. I'm definitely gonna eat those. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, those look really good. Yum, yum. Gonna hide those from Jackson. He could have the applesauce. Next up we have, is that Michele's granola? Handmade in small batches. It's cool. It's like something for each family member in this box. Chris puts a lot of granola in his yogurt every morning, so he'll eat that. And something for Raylan. Here's some God is Garden Organics. This is facial sunscreen. It's natural. And we are going to Florida soon, so I will definitely bring this with us. Ooh, fun. Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Foil Mask. So this is probably a full sheet mask. Yep. But that's awesome looking. And that is it. We have some advertisements at the bottom for the tea. And a coupon. And then one for Goddess Garden. And then the granola. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up, I'll leave their link below. Make sure you follow them on social media because they do give out free boxes on there, and I will have all the information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.